Alright, so Ken, do you want to film a video of me destroying a Rubik's Cube?
Yeah. Hello. Let's go. Okay.
Alright, that's not what we're destroying. Gotta put it back together and then I'll demolish it.
Okay.
Come.
Wait, we're not done.
We're just making this cube have a hard life, right?
Hey, can I try? See them in my face.
Yeah.
And
There we go. There we go. Ken did it. And Ken, I want to tell you something.
yep.
There's
And we
no way of fixing this. 'Cause look, you broke it. You literally broke it.